Alright guys, my bad. Starting a little late here today, but we're all good now. Cool. And it is hot in here. Wow, I'm sweating. Maybe I shouldn't have gone with the shirt and tie today. That's alright, cool. Let's go, guys. What's up, YouTube? My name is Ty, financial professional. Welcome to my channel. Alright, cool. What up, everyone? What up, Koya? What's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you, as always. Yo, Ty looking fresh with that cut. Thank you. I did get a haircut earlier this morning. Yes, much needed. You always had a man bun? Yeah. Well, I don't really wear the man bun, but I always had long hair, yes. Been growing this for, about 6 years now. Ever since I was in college. So, yes, I always had that. I always had long hair, but, I'm not a big fan of the man bun. Although I probably should do it more. Especially if I'm, in the shirt and tie. Anyway, alright guys. So today is December. Okay. Today is Thursday, December 1st, 2022. I'm your host Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. So yes, happy December, guys. Today we're doing the show from the stock exchange, trading floor, New York Stock Exchange. Haven't used this one in a while, but that is because today was pretty neutral day. Oops. Today was pretty neutral day. Slightly bearish, actually. I'm not sure how crypto did. But the Nasdaq, SPY were pretty even. Dow Jones is down, so slightly bearish day in the market. But we'll go with the stock exchange. Haven't used this in a while here. All right. What up, Ken? What's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Alright, give me a second, guys. Let me do some live rainbow bearing. I forgot to put in this trade before. So I've been looking at Neon. N-E-O-N, Neon. I gotta put an order in here. I'm not sure if it's gonna hit, but I'm gonna put in an order for 637. 390. We'll go 390 shares. Sure. Alright, just put in an order for Neon. Well, today was pretty disappointing. I also have an order in for KTRA. No shares right now, but I have an order in for KTRA. And let me just quickly like my own video here. Forgot to do that.
I find brilliant gifts that sucks.
Nope. No ads. Sorry, guys. Okay, we're all good now. Alright, cool. So, yeah, we'll get to my plays in a second here. But I am trying to get Neon, N-E-O-N, and KTRA. Currently have orders in for those plays right now. But we'll do some live random bearing very shortly. Yo, share the plays, Ty? Yeah. So, Neon, N-E-O-N, KTRA. Those are my plays right now. Open orders. What up, Roller? What's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you, as always. You see Kanye West appear at Alex Jones' show today? No, I did not, but I'm sure that went off the rails. Interesting. I'm going to have to take a look at that for sure. I did not see that, but it sounds highly entertaining. I did see the one with him and Piers Morgan. You know, it's Piers Morgan finally getting a taste of his own medicine. It was pretty hilarious. They were just like shouting at each other. No, I didn't see that, but I'll have to do that. Thanks for being here, dude. All right, guys. So yes, first day of the month, December. Santarelli, maybe, hopefully. Not today, but yes, hopefully Santarelli coming this month. But today wasn't all too bad. So that's why we're doing the show from the stock exchange. Pretty neutral day, slightly bearish day. And regardless, got a great show for you guys today. So we actually do have some TA today. Haven't done TA in a while here because it's been pretty slow in the market lately. Price action wise, just retail not really participating. But yeah, today we have a pretty good show. So as always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews. Got 5 articles today. All pretty important articles. One about Apple and Coinbase getting into some beef over their NFTs. We'll get to that. One about crypto, Italy starting to tax crypto. One about so SBF, Sam Bankman-Fried, you know, ex-CEO of FTX. He finally gave his first interview, official interview, since everything went down. So that's going to be very interesting. We'll take a look at that. And then we got the inflation numbers coming out, new inflation numbers, and then the new jobs numbers coming out. So we have lots to get to there. Article-wise, 5 articles, all important stuff. And then for the TA today, we're going to do AMC Entertainment, as you guys see in the title. That was the major runner today, or at least one of them. Major price action. TA shouldn't take too long. Got my notes right here. But yes, we're going to do a full TA on AMC today. We could have did Mullen, honorable mention Mullen, but you guys know how I feel about Mullen. Waste of time. Pump and dump. Scam stock. COSM, another honorable mention. That keeps on pulling back, down another 35% today. But yeah, Mullen, COSM, honorable mentions. But we're just going to do AMC today. Shouldn't take too long. Not many indicators. So that should be pretty straightforward. And then we'll get to the Yolos. We do have some pretty good Yolos today. I think we have like 6 Yolos. I don't think there's any memes, just straight up Yolos. And it's some pretty good content today. So yeah, we do have quite a bit of stuff to get through today. So I'm thinking maybe hour and a half to 2 hours today, depending on how many people come in chat. Today is Thursday, which is not the best day for streaming, and the market wasn't that great today. So I don't expect too many people to come in chat, but appreciate everyone who does. So if there's not so much chatting, probably hour and a half. If there is chatting going on, probably more closer to 2 hours. But yeah, gonna be a great show today, guys. Appreciate everyone for being here. Let's get started. And before we begin, please like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. All right, guys. So I still don't have a mouse, but that's coming in today. So one more day of using the trackpad. Bear with me, guys. Sorry about that. Okay. Fix my tie a little here. Cool. Let's go. Are my memes working, actually? Memes are not working today. Alright, well, I gotta fix that this weekend. I hate it when OBS and, Stream Deck, they just keep doing all these updates, and then it keeps messing up all this stuff, and I gotta update this and update that, and nothing works anymore. Whatever. I just want to trade stocks, bro. Alright. Kanye West. Love. Alright. I don't know if I can read that. I don't want to get banned here. But, okay. Yes. Well, I gotta take a look at that. That is quite interesting. Sure. Okay. Alright, let's do a scan. Let's do some live rainbow bearing. Start off the show. Alright. What we got? Nothing. Don't really see anything. ALLR. Nope, nothing there. PTIX. Nope, nothing there. So we do have some price action, but no news to justify. Alright, not seeing anything. So we'll come back to this. Alright, let's get to my plays today. Didn't really do much. There was Hills, right? H-I-L-S. Do you want to see Lucky D experience scammer face in the video later? The show, I give you a link later. The show. Do I want to see his face? I thought he showed his face, didn't he? Sure, you can link it, dude. If we got time, we'll do it. I'm not sure if we're gonna have time though. If we have time, we'll get to that. But yes, nobody buy, nobody buy those courses. All right, let's get to my plays today. All right, so not much happening. Pretty uneventful day. As you guys saw on Discord, I did not really post much because there wasn't really much to do. It's been pretty slow lately. You know, during the holidays, things do slow down. But damn, I need some money, bro. Anyway. All right, so HLIS, Hills. Shorted this one. I did post on Discord. Shorted this one this morning at 58, I think. 57, 58 cents. I got a partial fill. I think I filled for like 900 shares. 500 bucks. It was like 500 bucks. So I got filled a fifth of what I wanted. And I covered at 45 for a $100 gain there. So, you know, should have been 500 if I got the full fill, but whatever. 20% gain there, $100. COUP, still back holding, down 50 bucks, down up 1.9% today, down 50 bucks. MACK, down 0.5% today, up 15 bucks. UCL, down 0.88% today, up 25 bucks. And PALI, down 1% today, no, 2% in the aftermarket, up 55. And then, of course, PCVX, down 1.2% today, up 35. So, I made a little money here today, not all that much. Made 185 bucks. I mean, it's better than working at McDonald's, right? Or Wendy's. Give myself the money here. Oops. So, you know, I've been on a winning streak lately, but the gains have slowed down very significantly. I'm not making that much money, but, you know, a couple $100 every day. I'll take it. But, you know, a couple weeks ago, I was hitting like 1,000. Now it's like 100. So, whatever. But yeah, so a pretty uneventful day, but I did make about 200 bucks here today. Not bad. I will take it. So that's my plays for today, guys. Nothing really going on. And again, I currently do have a order open for KTRA, trying to short that. Oh wow, Neon is going crazy. Yeah, Neon is going crazy here. So yeah, Neon. Let's check it out here actually. These two stocks that I'm shorting right now, or trying to short, KTRA. So this one, sorry about the sirens, guys. Gonna talk over it. So this one, why is my charts all over the place? Yeah, so this one, I'm taking anything over like $4 here. $6 actually. Forgot. 524. I'm taking anything over 524. So yeah, this went back into compliance. I think it had some bullish news today. I don't even know, but this is gonna come crashing down. Yeah, they regained compliance. Had some news today. They're gonna talk at some conference. Anyway, so this stock, no reason for this price action. I'm trying to short this down. No shares right now, but I'm trying to short this down, and it should be a fat gain here if you can get the shares. So I'm taking anything over 524 here. This should be a really fat gain if you guys can get the shares. Hopefully, you know, later tonight or tomorrow morning. It's 420, guys. Make a wish. All right, and now Neon. So this one is moving in the aftermarket. So it hit 630, and I'm trying to short this down at 637. So this did have some news today. Yeah, wins patent trial against Samsung. So, I almost got the fill there. I was 7 cents away from getting the fill, but I'm going to keep the order open here. Yeah, I'm going to try to short this down at 637. Yeah, this looks like an excellent short right now. Big volume today, big price action. Yeah, this looks like it's due for some significant pullback, so it's at 623 now, so hopefully I get the fill on this very shortly. And KTRA. Excellent plays right now to short. Not financial advice. Alright, cool. So, uneventful day for me, but I am keeping my eye on 2 plays right now. If you guys want to follow. Alright. Video in next less than 30 seconds. Alright, then we should have time. We should have time then. Alright. Armed. I'm still trying to get this actually at 367. Never quite got there, but I'm still trying to short Armed. It's at 330 now. Maybe it'll hit by tomorrow. Neon Armed. Yeah, so IoT. Alright, that's earnings. SMAR. Also earnings. Okay. Path. Also earnings. Okay. So, nothing going on here aftermarket. But keeping an eye on 3 stocks. Armed, KTRA, and NEON. Neon. That's at 627 now, so I may get filled on that very soon. 9 cents away from getting filled. Hopefully I get filled there. Hopefully. Alright, let's get to watch list. Alright. Quotes. Sure. Alright, cool. If you guys haven't yet, please smash that like button. Please, thank you. Gotta take a quick drink, and we'll get started here with the watch list. And then get on to crypto and the news. $6.29 now, so, well, now back down to $6.27, but hopefully this keeps on squeezing post-market, and I get the fill here at $6.37. And Armed is still going pretty strong here in the post-market too, so yeah, watch out, guys. Armed, RMED, and Neon. Neon's at 634. Oh, I'm about to hit. It's about to hit. 635. It is about to hit. Come on. 2 more cents. Come on. Got a treat for you guys. Live Rainbow Bear. Oh, no. It hit 632. Come on. 637. So close. Come on. There it is. I didn't get the fill, though. 1 more cent. Come on. So it hits 637, and it went back down to 630. 635, 636. Give me the fill! Boom. I just got the fill. There we go. Alright, I'm in, guys. Not saying you guys should do it, but, yes. I'm in Neon at 637, and of course it's mooning now. Of course. Well, yeah, it's going crazy now, but I'm in at 637. Now it's pushing 650. Wow. It is legitimately squeezing now after I shorted. Of course. Alright, well, I'm already down $50, but that's cool. I got my fill here. Alright, so Neon. Wow. Look at this. It is really going nuts now. 82 RSI. Okay. Well, I think I got a pretty good fill here. So, we'll see how it goes tomorrow. Looks like it's starting to pull back. I mean, it should. Look at that RSI. This is crazy. And RMED is still pumping. RMED is still pumping. I just need another 23 cents on that to fill. So I'll keep that order in as well. And then hopefully I get a KTRA fill, and tomorrow should be some fat tendies. Alright, you guys in Neon or what? You guys here? Koya, Ken? You guys going for Neon or what? Alright, it's pulling back now. Alright, it's starting to pull back. So now I'm about break even. Okay. So I'll keep an eye on this, and I really want RMED to hit as well. RMED is pumping here, post-market. Okay, cool. And hopefully KTRA gets filled as well. Alright. Watch list time. So we'll keep an eye on this. We'll come back to this. Alright. So that was some cool live rainbow bearing there. Got my fill on Neon. Okay. Watch list time. Alright. So the Dow Jones down 0.56%. NASDAQ up 0.1%, and the S&P down 0.07%. So, pretty neutral day. Pretty neutral day. Slightly bearish, but pretty neutral day. We'll give that some applause here. Yeah, pretty sideways. Slightly bearish. But the VIX was down 3.6% today, which I don't really know why, but not complaining. Down 0.74 points. So we're at 19.84 VIX now. Holy crap. Holy crap. I don't know when the last time we were under 20 VIX was, so this is quite the accomplishment. You know, this is pretty stable now. We're under 20 VIX. Who would have thought? But the problem is every time we've been under 20 VIX this year, it goes right back up. So, you know, I'm certainly not complaining. Glad we're back under 20 VIX, but I would not be surprised if it just moves to the upside and things go really bad again. But, yeah, certainly not complaining. Alright, cool. Let's get on to the watch list here. Start on the green side. So I don't see too much price action. Got some, so we got Mullen 13%, honorable mention, AMC, which we'll discuss later on. AAB, Wayfair, some meme stocks there. Yeah, I got some growth here. Looks like 420 doing good. Canopy Growth, Tilray, Sundial. Snap, BitNile up, Palantir, BlackBerry, Bed Bath & Beyond. So a lot of memes, growth in memes. Netflix has been mooning lately, bro. Netflix is at 317 now. Holy crap. I sold it like 260. I don't even remember. 280. Wow. It's almost back to where I bought it at. So, big day for Netflix. Peloton, Robinhood. Yeah, a lot of growth in memes up here. There's TD. Meta 2%. GME 1.5. Ford, Nike, Nvidia. So this is decent value. But not much price act. Oh, what did I just do? Just click something. I don't know what I just clicked. But okay, we're back. That's what happens when you use trackpad. So I'm up on Neon now. I'm in the green on Neon already. Okay, like Like, pretty big in the green already. You know what? Sorry guys, interruption real quick. I gotta put in a sell order, or a cover real quick. Alright, I'm gonna cover at $5. $5 on the dot. Okay. Order in. I'm already up $77 on Neon. And it's getting shorted pretty fast too. The shorts are running out, so yeah, I think that was a good catch. I think that was a good catch. All right, cool. Nice, nice. So I'm in for 637 and covering at 5. Yeah, cool. All right, yep, already up $75. Cool. And going. Koya says got filled a Neon for 629. Okay. So not as good of a price, but still pretty damn good price. And yeah, it's down to 615 now, so and quickly falling. So nice catch there. Good luck to us. There's only 7,000 shares left, 7,100 shares, so that should be snatched up pretty quickly here in the next few minutes, and it should be low on shares very soon, which is a good thing. So, yes, I put the cover in for 5. So, hopefully by tomorrow, this goes back down to 5. It should. This is a little bit ridiculous here. Okay, cool. And Armed is at 345 now. So I just need another 22 cents there to get a fill. And there are shares available, so yeah, come on, Armed. 70 shares? Alright, cool. See, that sounds more, that sounds a lot better for your account. Not exactly sure what you're working with, but I know yesterday you said you lost $500 on KTRA or something, or one of those stocks, and I was like, dude, that's a lot of money. Sounds like you're betting too big. So 70 shares sounds a lot more appropriate. But yes, all right, it's holding 618 pretty well. All right, let's get back to the show. But yes, just live rainbow bearing here. All right, where the hell were we? Anyway, so not much price action, but decent amount of value in here, decent amount of growth in memes. Pretty sideways. Yeah, there's Ford, Nike, Nvidia, Starbucks, MGM, Disney, everything like under 1.5%, all the value. There's Apple, Pepsi, McDonald's, yeah. So a decent amount of stuff in the green. Not too much, not much price action. But there is some stuff in the green today. It appears like more stuff in the red, though. So let's get into the red side now. So there definitely is more stuff in the red. But price action wasn't too bad either. Let's see here. Wow, Costco went down 6.5%. Ouch. What happened there? That's pretty nasty. Looks like the EVs are pulling back. Yeah, ZEV, Xpeng, Fisker, Neo. All the EVs pulling back. They were mooning lately. Dollar General also down 7.5%. Don't know why. Pretty nasty. MMAT pulling back. Yeah, Li Auto. There's a decent amount of value. going down here today. Ally Bank 4%, American Airlines 3%, Bank of America 2.9. Interesting. Yeah. Wells Fargo, IBKR. A lot of financials are down today. Interesting. So not much price action here, but decent amount of value in the red here. JP Morgan, yeah, Target, Amazon. So I see a lot of financials in the red. I wonder why. Yeah, so definitely more stocks in the red than green, and more value in the red than green, it seems like. But overall, this wasn't so bad today. Slightly bearish day in the stock market. So, hope you guys made money. I actually managed to make a little bit of money here today. And if not, shouldn't have been too bad. Pretty uneventful day. But yeah, there's the stock market, guys. All right, let's do one more scan real quick, and let's get onto crypto and the Yolos. Neon's holding back up to 628 now. Okay, holding pretty strong. Hear a siren coming down the road, so gonna talk over it. We have some stuff here. VLTA. Nothing. WROX. Nothing. One more here. No, that's nothing. Alright, still nothing going on here. No live renewable bearing. So, let's get into... Alright, let's get into crypto and the news now. Let me check YouTube, see where we're at real quick. 3 viewers, 3 likes. Alright, guys, where's all the likes, bro? You guys are here, no one's hitting the like button. Please smash the like button, guys, please, thank you. Alright. Actually, I guess there's only 3 people in here. So, or there were. Oh, it says 3 people in here, so if you guys haven't yet, please smash the like button. I know some of you guys didn't. Alright, let's get to crypto and the news here. Okay. Alright, my bad, just pulling all the stuff up, guys. This is D-Lucky Experience Ugly Face. Alright, cool. So I guess if he was good looking, he would sell more scams. He would sell more courses. That sucks. He just hire a hot girl to sell it for him. Alright, still loading up. Alright, Neon's down to 612 now. Very nice, very nice. Arman's pulling back, though. Why is this article from Cointelegraph not working? Alright, we may only have 4 articles, because one is not loading. For some reason. Whoops. Yeah, I don't know why it's not loading. Alright, well, we'll just skip that. Cool. Alright, let's get to crypto, guys. So here's crypto. That is down 0.95% today. Good. So not the worst thing in the world. Slightly bearish day here in crypto. So let's check it out. So we got Bitcoin down 0.85%, holding 17K. A little less than that right now. Ether down 1.45%, under 1,300. Binance down 3.1%. XRP down 2.8. Doge 3.5. Still holding 10 though. That's pretty impressive. I don't know why Doge is mooning lately. So I see a whole bunch of red here, but not much price action. Some green. We got Uniswap, Chainlink in the green. Not much going on. Pretty uneventful day in crypto as well. So let's sort this out. So, but it seems like most of the coins in the red, but not much price action. Let's see. Alright, so we'll start on the green side. So that's actually a decent amount of coins in the green. Maybe not actually. Yeah, we'll call it about 20% of the coins in the green. So not many coins in the green. And only one in the double digits is Ethereum POW, Proof of Work, 18.8%. And then the next biggest gainer is Trust Wallet Token, 8.8%. So, yeah, not much going on the green side. Not many coins, not much price action, and not much value either. This seems like mostly growth. So yeah, not much happening there. Let's go on the red side, check it out. Alright, so on the red side, most of the coins in the red, 80% of the coins in the red. Not much price action. Biggest loser is Binary X, 7.6%. So nothing in the double digits, so that's good. But yeah, most of the coins in the red, and value seems like a decent amount of value in the red. We got Doge down here, 3.6%. And then Binance. And then XRP. So, yeah, there you have it, guys. Most of the coins in the red. But not much price action on both sides. Just most of the coins in the red and most of the value in the red. So, slightly bearish day here in crypto as well. So, slightly bearish day here in the stock market. Slightly bearish day here in crypto. So, overall, slightly bearish day. Go. Mini go. Cool. All right. So, yes. Pretty difficult to make money today unless you're a rainbow bear, but you know, I hope you guys made money. I did manage to make a little bit of money here. Neon's now down to 609, so that's good. Up 110 bucks on that now. Let's go. All right. FTX is gone. Where do you do your Bitcoin contract now? Well, FTX is gone, but the site that I was using, Ledger X, is still up, actually. It's still up and running. Somehow, it did not go bankrupt. So, I can still use that. I just don't have it on there right now because I don't trust anything right now. So, when things start to clear up, then I'll put my money back on there. But for now, I'm like, oh, hell no, I pulled my money. We'll just see how it goes. But Ledger X is still up and running, and I believe the only place where you can still trade contracts. So FTX is gone. That was part of FTX Ledger X, but now Ledger X is breaking off and doing their own thing again. So same place. Although personally, I don't have any money on there right now. All right, guys, let's get to the articles today. So we had 5 articles, but one of them is not loading. So we only have 4. The one that's not loading is about Italy going to start taxing crypto. They're going to tax, I think, 26% now, capital gains on crypto, which is kind of a lot, to be honest. I don't know if that's short-term or long-term or both, but anyway. So Italy taxing 26% on crypto, which I'm sure nobody's happy about. So, yeah, that was an article, but not going to do it. It's not loading. So only 4 articles today. One about Apple and Coinbase and NFTs. One about an update on FTX. SBF giving his first interview since it went down. That's pretty big. And then we got numbers on inflation and growth and jobs growth. So pretty important stuff here today. Let's get to the news. All right, first article, Apple forces Coinbase to disable NFT transfers on its wallet app. Apple has begun enforcing its 30% tax on NFT transactions, and Coinbase isn't happy. All right, so Apple doing Apple things here, doing their whole monopoly. We're going to take 30% cut from you. Remember they had the whole lawsuit with Epic and Fortnite. And, Epic ended up winning, I think. So now they're trying to pull the same crap on everyone else. So, yeah, I think Apple is just... They know they're messed up here. They know this is wrong. I mean, I understand you want your cut, but 30%, come on, bro. So, yes, Coinbase's wallet iOS application no longer supports NFT transactions because of Apple's new strict policies on NFTs. Team Android, let's go. So Coinbase says Apple wants to take 30% fee on any gas. So on every transaction, they want the 30% cut. That is insane. And they actually cannot pay 30% gas because it doesn't make it profitable. Okay. Yeah, so no one's really happy with Apple about this. Everyone is in agreement that this is pretty messed up. So, and this guy does make a point. Today it was Apple, but tomorrow it could be Google. So Google has not went full monopoly extortion mode yet, but they could be. If they see Apple doing good, they go, we want that cut too. So, as right now, there's no lawsuit or anything, but yeah, you cannot buy NFTs on Coinbase anymore through Apple, through iOS, because Apple is scheming, trying to scam Coinbase 30% of all their profits. So, this is the developing story. We'll see how it goes. I have a feeling it's going to end up in court, just like Epic did, and I don't think Apple has a great case. I don't know. I'm not a lawyer, but they already lost one of them, and no one likes this. No one likes this. So, yeah. We'll see how it goes. I'm sure there'll be an update, and I'll bring it to you guys. Okay, next one. In defense interview, SBF claims he's broke and committed no fraud, of course. This damn liar, bro. Oops. All right. So, don't be fooled, guys. At one time, it was believable that this guy had good intentions. He was a good guy, into philanthropy, all that good stuff. Now we see through it. This guy is a snake. He does not care about you. Does not care about the customers, their money. He's just trying not to go to jail. He even said it himself. He said, you have to portray an image to look like an honorable person when really no one cares. He literally said that himself. So I do believe he's broke, but committed no fraud. Come on, bro.
Bruh.
Anyway, let's read. Former FTX CEO, SBF, said he's had a bad month, but denied committing fraud at his crypto exchange. Because he committed fraud at his hedge fund. He does this weasel word stuff. He has a way with words. If you watch his interviews, I watched all his interviews. He has a way to, plausibly deny what you're asking him. So, yes, he did not commit fraud at his crypto exchange, FTX, but he committed fraud at his hedge fund. So this is how he can legally maneuver what he said. Anyway. Don't fall for it, guys. SPF spoke at Dealbook Summit weeks after FTX filed for bankruptcy protection amid a cryptocurrency meltdown. He also started Alameda Research, a crypto hedge fund that allegedly commingled FTX customer funds with trading funds. All right, what is this? What does this asshole have to say? So he says he didn't do a good job upholding his responsibilities to regulators. Really? So I didn't ever try to commit fraud on anyone. I saw it as a thriving business, and I was shocked by what happened this month. BS. All right, maybe you didn't try to commit fraud, but that's what ended up happening. He said he's down to 100K and had one working credit card left.
Bruh.
Why do I not believe that? What about the 600 mil that got stolen, that got hacked, right? We completely failed on risk. All right, so if this is true, which I know it's not, that means I'm richer than this guy right now. I'm richer than SBF. Bruh. This guy's full of BS. This guy still owns 8% of Robinhood. He is not that broke. What a liar, bro. He's trying to play the victim now. Alright, He claimed that Alameda had repaid all lines of credit by the middle of 2022. Bro, this guy's lying. So Alameda owes BlockFi 670 million. And they owe Voyager 1 billion. Wow. Okay, so he said he was nervous when the Alameda balance sheet was exposed by CoinDesk, but he wasn't ready for a crisis. And he's just denying he didn't know anything that was happening at Alameda. Complete BS. His girlfriend was CEO. He knew exactly what was happening. He built the back door. And he's still claiming that FTX US is fully solvent and funded. And he says that you could withdraw right now from FTX US. Bruh. Anyway. So, interesting. So, he's giving his first interview, and he's not really saying anything new. He's, not taking responsibility. And borderline lying, in my opinion. So, yeah, this guy needs to go to jail. I don't know if he's going to go to jail because he has massive, he has very powerful parents, powerful family. He has political influence. The media is going easy on him. So, I don't know if he's going to go to jail, but he deserves to go to jail. And, this guy's a snake. Do not believe a damn thing coming out of this guy's mouth. This guy needs to go to prison. He messed up a lot of people's lives. So, yeah, first interview. Nothing really new being said here. Just defending himself. Not taking responsibility. Hope he goes to jail. Here is Italy crypto tax. All right, thanks for that low roller, but we're gonna move on because we need to catch up a little bit. Running a little behind here. Dude, I'm late for Neon. Oh, you're not exactly too late, but what is it at now? What is Neon at now? I was at dentist. I heard you over talk, but I can't bet. Oh, it's at 6:05 now, so technically you're not too late. Oh, I got filled in Armed. Holy crap. Yo, I got Armed. Whoa. Okay. Okay. It's squeezing now, and I'm getting pretty wrecked. but I did get Armed, yes. I'm already down 20%. D Lucky Experience and SBF should be in the same prison since they are both scammers. Well, one scams you for a couple $1,000. One scams you for a couple billion. There's a difference. But they should both be in prison, yes. Not the same prison, though. Funny thing is, SBF is probably going to get less jail time than D Lucky. Well, D Lucky is not even going to go to jail. He got ugly girlfriend since he is billionaire. He can find better woman than his ugly. Yeah, I always wondered that. I'm like, well, he's not the best looking guy himself, but he is billionaire, and I always wondered. I was looking at his girlfriend's not ugly, but she ain't exactly that attractive. Whoa, what is going on with Armed? I'm getting wrecked here, bro. Holy crap. I'm getting wrecked on Armed. This is crazy. Alright. Pause for a second. Pause. This is insane, bro. Alright, so screw Neon. $6. Alright. Yeah, look at this. What is that, bro?
Bruh.
What is going on? What is going on, bro? Alright, it's coming back down to earth now. But this was squeezing like crazy. So, I did get filled at 367. I got filled at 367. And now it's at 450. So, that's... so I'm already down... I'm already down 20%. Over 20%. But it is pulling back now. Holy crap. Yeah, this is clearly squeezing. Looks like it's pulling back now, though. But yeah, if you guys can get Armed, you know, I think it's a pretty good play. Alright, so I got filled on 2 things aftermarket. Now I just need KTRA. That'd be nice. Alright. Yeah, it's pulling back now. It's pulling back. Hopefully it's pulling back. But this thing just went parabolic. Out of nowhere. Oh, maybe it's not done squeezing yet. Nope, I don't think it's done squeezing. Never mind. Uh-oh. Wow, this price action is crazy. Diamond balls. Yep. Alright, so we'll come back to this. But this is currently squeezing. It might leg up again. Kind of looks like a bull flag. I don't know. I hope not. It looks like it's done. It looks like it's done. I don't know. RSI is a bit crazy right now. Or it could be setting up for another bull flag. Who knows? Who knows? We'll come back to this. But yeah, this is most definitely short squeezing right now. I don't think it's done short squeezing. Alright, cool. Or not cool. Do you have any new news? Why is this squeezing so hard, bro? Alright, so if you guys want to go for it, go for it. I think this is an excellent price right now. No shares, but if you can get it, you know. Excellent price. Okay. Let me put in an order, actually, for the cover. You got 300? You got filled, dude? At 450? Damn, what a fill. What a fill. You got 300 at 4... Bruh. I wish. I wish. So you literally caught the top on that? Are you being serious? You trolling, dude? There's no more shares. I was trying to place an order for RMed. Can't place an order. Contract says not available. All right, so yeah, I'm sorry, Koya. You're a bit too late there. That just means that they're completely out of they're completely out of shares tomorrow. So sorry about that, dude. That does happen sometime. Try again later. If the price is this, well, we'll see where the price ends up. But yes, when it says that contract not available for sale, that means they're totally out. And you missed a chance, dude. So try again, probably in a few hours. Try again tomorrow morning. But as of right now, yeah, I think you were too late, dude. That sucks. I'm sorry. Ken says he's not trolling. He's in at 300 at 450. Dude. Awesome, dude. That was a great fill. Great fill. I'm glad. I'm upset I didn't get filled there, but because I'm in 680 at 367. It's pulling back now, so that's good. But I believe you, dude. I believe you. I'm just saying. What a fill. What a fill. You're fast now. I see that. I see that. Yeah, you see, you guys are learning. You gotta be fast. You gotta be fast. Yep. Yep, exactly. How'd you get in, bro? Contract not available. Yeah, because we got in before you. It literally probably just changed. Probably just changed to that. Actually, I know how to glitch it. Listen, I know how to glitch it. So what you do is, okay, Corey, this is what you do. This should work. Here's a secret for you guys. If it says contract's not available, what you do is, you go regular, right? You open the sell page. Don't change anything. Don't change anything. Just change it to outside regular trading hours, and hit submit. It should go through. Don't change anything. Hit sell RMed. Well, change one thing. Change time in force to outside regular trading hours. Submit sell. The order should go through. Then you hit modify, and then you actually change it to what you want. Try that. Try that. Because I just know how to break the app. Like, I've been using it for so long. I know how to glitch the app to get what you want. Try that, Koya. It should work. Just hit sell. Don't change anything. Just hit submit, sell. After hours, submit, modify it, change it to what you want. But yeah, besides that, you just gotta be faster. You just gotta be faster, dude. If it says contract's not available, there's literally no more shorts to go around. You made $50. You're gonna cover now? No, dude, do not cover. Do not cover, dude. There is so much downside to go here. There is so much downside to go here. Nah, bro. It's going crazy now. It's squeezing now, but it's gonna be another NAOV. I promise. Watch. Offering coming. I feel it. Offering is coming. It'll be another NAOV. Anyway, I gotta set an order here. What's this? 262. It's curling up. Yeah, don't worry about it. It's in the middle of squeeze right now. Diamond balls. Corey, did it work? All right, I'm covering at 288. 288. You're scared of short squeeze to $10? Well, scared money don't make money, dude. If you want to cover, go ahead, but I ain't going nowhere. You guys should never be scared when you're trading. Don't ever be scared. That's how you lose money. All right, 680. Order in. You're scared, so you got another 500, bro? Dude, it's legit squeezing right now. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's at $5. All right, so yeah, diamond balls. Yeah, I think you went a little too hard there, to be honest. But you know, it should pull back and it should be fat tendies, but that is a lot of shares, dude. Anyway, Neon's pulling back. That's good. Yeah, I'm down quite a bit on RMed right now, but we'll keep an eye on that. Are you gonna make D Lucky Experience expose video? No, I don't expose people here. I really want to sometimes, but you know, that's I don't want no beef with anyone. But yeah, I'd expose him and Rara Coco. All right, sorry about the sirens, guys. Gonna talk over it. Reschedules 2022 meeting and sets new record date. Oh, this is low-key news. Okay. All right, we have a play here, I guess. Hold up. Scare money, make no money, bro. Yes, that is correct, but you still got to do it, you know, in moderate. You got to do it. You still have to have good risk management. You can't just go crazy. 4692. All right, I'm going to put in an order for this. One. Four. All right. 66. 66. All right, I'm gonna put in order ALLR. A lot of live variable bearing today. ALLR. 66 cents. I'm gonna try to get this at. No shares though. That's all right. All right. 3790. Cool. All right, ALLR. I put in an order for 66 cents, no shares. Hopefully that fills. RMed's at $5 now. Wow. And going. Neon's pulling back quite a bit though. I heard D-Lucky Experience make millions of dollars per year on scam. D-Lucky Experience force you to sign contracts. You can't attack him. What, he has an NDA or something? Yeah, I'm not surprised. Yep. Really, really sad, but what you gonna do? Alright, so... Alright, so ALLR. I guess that's the news, huh? Reschedules meeting and sets new record date. Alright, cool. Yeah, RMed's still going crazy here. It's at $5 now. This is insane. Absolutely insane. Diamond balls. All right, so we got distracted for a little bit. Let's get back. Let's get back to the articles. Let's speed it up actually, because we are pretty behind now. We still got to do AMC and the Yolos. All right. But yes. Anyway. Yeah. SBF. Lying. He's not a good guy. Don't believe it, guys. He's a liar. He's a fraud. Needs to go to jail. All right. I'll update you guys on that. All right. Let's speed it up here. So now we got the inflation numbers and the job growth. So key inflation measure that the Fed follows rose 0.2% in October, less than expected. So that's a good thing. That's a good thing. So CPI expenditures, so the core personal consumption expenditures price index (CPI) rose 0.2% in October, slightly below the estimate. The index increased 5% year over year. Personal income jumped 0.7% for the month, well ahead of the 0.4% estimate, and spending rose 0.8% as expected. Weekly jobless claims total 225,000, a decline of 16,000 from the previous week and below the 235,000 estimate. Outplacement firm Challenger, Gray, and Christmas reported that planned layoffs increased 127% on a monthly basis in November and were up 470% from a year ago. Okay. So a lot of stuff to unpack there, but basically this is good. Inflation came in better than expected, and so did jobless claims, and personal income went up. So, yeah, really good news, really bullish for the economy, really bullish news overall, and didn't really have too much of an effect today, but yeah, so CPI was good. That's bullish going forward. And last article, November job growth slowed but will still show strength despite layoffs, hiring freezes. All right, the economy is expected to have added 200,000 jobs in November, a slower pace than the 261,000 in October. Economists expect the pace of job growth to continue to slow and turn negative at some point next year. Announcements of layoffs and hiring freezes have increased, but economists do not expect to see much of an impact in the November report when it is released at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Friday. Okay. So this is actually good. This is actually good. Not good in terms of growth slowing, but this is still better than expected. So this is bullish, ironically. So yeah, positive CPI, positive inflation numbers, positive job numbers, and the market did pretty okay today. So it had somewhat of an effect, for sure. But the market did pretty okay today. We'll see how tomorrow goes. But yeah, good CPI numbers, good inflation numbers, good job numbers. All right, cool. So that's all the articles for today, guys. Got interrupted a few times there, but we got through that. All right, cool. I can't wait. CoffeeZilla exposed the Lucky Experience. Already contact Spencer Cornelia, YouTuber. He will expose. CoffeeZilla probably won't do it because he only does like crypto scams now. But Spencer Cornelia would probably do it. Yes. Yes, I know Spencer Cornelia. Damn, Armed going down fast. Yeah, it's back down to 460 now. So, diamond balls. So yeah, I was literally, I lost like $1,000 in a couple minutes there. No sweat. I'm like, okay, cool. I ain't worried about it. Neon's down to 562 now, so that is pulling back very quickly. Very quickly. That fast? Yeah, so I was down 1,000, now I'm only down 600. Should you cover now? No, dude. Why would you cover? Absolutely not. Hold it. Fat Sandy's coming tomorrow. You just said scared money don't make money. Why are you going to cover, bro? All right. Raw Coco said you're going to get trapped. All right, so that's probably a good thing then, right? Inverse Raw Coco. All right. So let's do one more scan, and then we'll get to AMC. So we are pretty behind here. I think we'll be done by... We may go longer than 6, actually. Hopefully we get done by 6. 2 hours. But, I don't know. It may go longer. just saw something. Maybe not. I saw something, but I don't see it anymore. Alright, never mind, I guess. Nothing going on here. Alright, yeah, nothing going on here. So we'll come back to this. Alright, let's get to AMC. And I do hear siren coming, so I'm going to talk over it. Or probably going to mute while that passes. Okay. Do we have news here? No. No news. Alright. Alright, so I'm just gonna mute while the siren passes, then we'll get started, guys. Well, it didn't take long for that to pass. Alright, cool. Gonna take a quick drink and we'll do AMC here. This shouldn't take too long at all. Got my notes right here, not so many indicators. Alright. Not letting me do it. Ty, it's okay. Alright, dude, just keep trying. Keep trying. Try it in a couple hours. Try it tomorrow morning. Because this is an insane price right now. This would be an excellent time to enter. So just keep trying, dude. Keep trying. Neon down to 574. Nice. So I'm up 10% on Neon. And down almost 30% on Armed. But hopefully that pulls back by the end of trading. Offering tomorrow, yes. Hopefully. Sure hope so. That'd be nice. Armored offering tomorrow would be nice tomorrow. Yeah, it really would, and it's definitely possible as well. All right, cool. Let's do AMC, guys. Too many offering. That's a good thing. As a Rainbow Bear, you want offerings. All right. You want Mac offering? Yes. And PCVX. That'd be very, very nice. Alright. Let's go, guys. So here is AMC. So here is AMC Entertainment. This finishes at $8.17 today. That is up 13%. No memes, right? So we gotta hold on. So we haven't discussed this stock in a few weeks. Since this stock, since this stock got rug pulled, since it got rug pulled down to $10. Yeah, since it got rug pulled to under $10, and if you guys recall, back then I did say that AMC was oversold, undervalued. Let's see here. Yeah, $6. My bad. Oops, what'd I just do? All right. So we haven't discussed this stock in a while, in a few weeks. Last time we talked about it, this stock got rug pulled. It was trading around $6. And if you guys recall, I did say back then that $6 was probably a great time to start loading up. Because AMC was oversold, undervalued. It was only a matter of time before it bounced back. And since then, the stock has gone up quite a bit. From 5 to 7.5, and today over 8. So I'm very happy for the apes, and the stock still looks pretty bullish really bullish in the longer term, which we'll get to in a second here. But no company specific news to justify this price action today. This was just very social media retail driven. The apes jumping in here, buying the stock up. A lot of momentum, a lot of positive momentum. And the shorts are getting squeezed out today. This is for sure a gamma squeeze. This was number 3 on StockTwits today, after SPY and Mullen had over 6,500 mentions. So once again, we're going to analyze it. All right, let's jump right in. Let's go ahead and analyze here. Raw Coco bag holding AMC big time. Raw Coco bag holding everything big time. What do you mean, dude? All right. So first of all, we have a cup and handle in the making. Bottom of the cup being the low of $5. And there can be multiple possible tops. It can be 930. Um, 970, 1085. Yeah. 970 or 1085. And in the longer term, this has the potential to come back up to the top of, and in the longer term, this has the potential to come all the way back up to the high of 2760 or 3440. Although I do believe the most realistic tops would be what did I say it was? 930, 970, or 1080. 1090, whatever I said. But those are all bullish indicators. That is telling us that the stock should come back up to one of those tops to complete the cup. And then we have a triple gap down. I think this is the first gap down. 971, yeah. First gap down is back at 971. So that's a bullish indicator. That is telling us that the stock should come back up to 971 to fill this gap. Second gap down was back at 1750. So another bullish indicator. That is telling us that the stock should come back up to 1750 to fill this gap. And the third gap down was back at 1910. So another bullish indicator. That is telling us that the stock should come back up to 1910 to fill this gap. The gap at 970 is likely to fill in the short term, and the other two gaps are likely to fill in the longer term. Okay. Bull flag. Alright, we kind of have a double bull flag, actually. Let me, draw that real quick. This is kind of hard without a mouse, but whatever. Alright, bull flag. And another bull flag. Okay. What kind of trader is that? That's not a trader. That's a that's an ape. And now he's just trying to he's trying to pump it so he can unload his bags. Okay. Here we have a bull flag. Here we had a bull flag develop. Here's the flag. Here's the flag pull, and here's the flag. So that was a bullish indicator. That was telling us that the stock was due for a breakout, and it did in fact break out today. And now we have another bull flag possibly developing here. We have the flag pole forming here. So all we would need is the flag to form to get another bull flag, and that would be another bullish indicator. That is telling us that the stock may be due for another breakout. All right, MACD and RSI. Cool. Come on. There we go. Okay. We'll do MACD first. Okay. Down here on the MACD, the moving average convergence divergence, the MACD line has crossed the signal line. The MACD line has been above the signal line for a while now, and is pulling away to the upside. So that's a bullish indicator that is telling us that it may be time to buy. Change that back. The RSI, the Relative Strength Index, is currently at 62. So not quite overbought and overvalued. But definitely above average there. So that is a slightly bearish indicator that is telling us that the current price of 817 should be a little bit lower. And in the aftermarket here, this is trading in the aftermarket here, this is trading down at 805. So if this aftermarket action holds, that would be a bearish indicator for tomorrow. That is suggesting that tomorrow this stock will sell off. Okay, cool. I think I got everything there. Right. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. All right. Cool. So I guess we'll go to We'll go to 16.5. Sure. All right. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 830 and $8. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 830, 860, 890, 925, 960, 985, 1040, 1090, 1130, 1160, $12, 1245, 1265, 1305, 1355, 1410, 1465, $15, 1535, 1585, and then 1650. There is resistance above 1650, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be $8, 770, 740, 710, 780, $650, 630, 610, 585, $560, 535, 520, I guess we'll go down to 480, 450, oops. This is very difficult with the trackpad. 480, 450, 425, and then $4. There is support below $4, but we're not going to discuss that right now. All right. So right now at the current price, 817, the channels to the upside and the downside are pretty decently sized, so expect a regular amount of price action either way this goes. However, if/when this breaks 985 to the upside, the channel starts to open up and get wider, so expect a significant increase in price action if/when this breaks 985 to the upside. And this did 96.5 million in volume today, which is way above the average of 51 million. biggest volume day in a while here. So this pump slash squeeze today. So this pump slash gamma squeeze today was definitely supported by the volume. Okay, guys, just my opinion, not financial advice. All right, the take profit now. Armed, no more crazy buying. Yeah, squeezing is over. You know, you just gotta withstand the squeeze. Diamond balls. Neon pulling back hard. Congrats, Ty. Thank you. Yeah, it's up. I'm up 10% on that. Up 230, but I'm down 570 on Armed. So, yeah, actually, net down. But diamond balls on Armed, and I get the money back. You got some neon too? All right, nice. I'm covering neon at 5. And it's at a stop loss at 635. You're down on Armed too? Yeah, but I'm down a lot. You got a much better field than I did. Still trying to get KTRA as well. Anyway, Armed is coming back. I'm not worried about it. Alright, let's finish up here. This is very hard to do with the trackpad. Okay. Alright, guys, just my opinion, not financial advice. So at $6, I said that AMC was a very good buy. And since then, it's gone up quite a bit, almost 40%. But here at 817, this is still a pretty decent entry, especially if you're willing to hold for the long term. Yes. You missed a lot of upside already, and honestly, 817 isn't exactly the greatest entry. But like I said, if you're willing to buy and hold for the long term, this should pay off pretty big. Let's see here. Again, we have some strong bullish indicators in the cup and handle, triple gap down, double bull flag, and MACD. And again, we have bearish indicators in the RSI and aftermarket action. So more bullish indicators than bearish indicators, stronger bullish indicators than bearish indicators. So based on the technicals here, AMC does look pretty bullish in the short and long terms. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice. Yeah. Honestly, the current price of 817 isn't exactly the greatest entry. You missed a lot of upside already. But like I said, if you're willing to buy and hold this for the long term, it still should pay off pretty big. Again, eventually this should come back up to 1910 to fill the gap there. And from the current price of 817, do some math. I said 917. Well, Again, this should eventually come back up to 1910 to fill the gap there. And from the current price of 817, yeah. And from the current price of 817, that would be about a 135% upside potential. So massive upside potential here. In the longer term, let's see. And it's pretty hard to tell how low this may pull back, but we do have some critical support at $7. It's gonna take a lot of selling pressure to break that. So let's just call $7 the potential low here. And from the current price of 817, that will be about a 15% downside potential. So I would say going long at the current price, 817 would be a low risk, very high reward play. Well, would be a low to medium risk, very high reward play. Definitely worth a shot in my opinion. There is a little bit of downside potential here, but the reward far outweighs the risk. AMC will have its day again. Whenever the next meme mania is, and when it does, it should be some pretty fat tendies. So I can't support going long at the current price, 817. And if it pulls back, then you can just average down at these supports that I mentioned before. Yeah, going long here should pay off pretty big in the longer term. Now, if you want to go short now, financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that for the same reasons that going long is a pretty good play right now. Going short is not such a great idea. Again, more bullish indicators than bearish indicators. Stronger bullish indicators than bearish indicators. A lot of retail momentum right now. Again, in the longer term, this should come back up to 1910 to fill the gap there, which would be about a 135% upside potential. And again, this may pull back down to $7, where the critical support is, which would be about a 15% downside potential. So I would say going short at the current price, 817, would be a very high risk, low to medium reward play. Not worth it in my opinion at all. You'd be exposing yourself. You'd be shorting for a relatively low amount of money and exposing yourself to a massive amount of upside risk. So while there is a little bit of downside potential here, the risk does not outweigh the reward at all. And going short here would be very dangerous. Good chance to get burned. So if you want to go short, please do that at your own risk, but I really don't see why you'd go short here. Seems like a really, really bad idea. So I don't like the current entry of 817 on the short side, But I will say, if slash when this does come back up to 1910 to fill the gap there, then I think that would be a pretty excellent entry to start shorting this down. But it may be a while. And for now, the stock looks really bullish. Okay. So in summary, guys, you missed the bottom at $5, but here at $8.17, this is still a pretty good entry going long, especially if you're willing to buy and hold for the long term. So I can't support going long at the current price, and I don't like going short at the current price. Seems really risky and seems like a really bad idea. It seems really risky and seems like a really bad idea. So please do that at your own risk. I would not recommend that. So congratulations to everyone who made money in the stock today, and good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is AMC Entertainment. All right, that took a bit longer than I expected, but we're through that. Cool. Haven't done tea in a while here. All right, so last order of business. Let's do one more scan. See if anything's going on, and then we'll finish up with the Yolos. All right, we got something going on here. Tops. All right, Armed is pulling back quite a bit now. Tops did an offering, and they're mooning. That is quite interesting. Very interesting. Yeah, so Tops is mooning on offering news. Okay. Very interesting. Okay, we'll keep an eye on that. What else we got here? CETX. Alright, nothing going on there. That's also pretty interesting. HLBZ and RIGL. Alright, so RIGL. Alright, this had some good news here. That's good. We'll go for that. HLBZ. Oh, they had news yesterday. Does that count? They had news yesterday, but why is this mooning now? Alright, let's take a look at some stuff here. But I'm definitely going to go for this one. RIGL. RIGL. Alright, 71. Let's see. $99. Alright, so I guess we'll short it for $1. Alright, I'm going to go for RIGL $1. If it gets there. Alright, $1. And let's take a look at HLBZ. Armed is really getting wrecked now. Wow. Nice. Yep, it's done. Okay. So RIGL. HLBZ. Yeah, I have no idea why this is mooning in the aftermarket. That is very weird. I'm not gonna go for it. Alright, I think we're good. Yeah, Armin is getting wrecked. Armin is getting absolutely wrecked right now. Diamond balls. Okay, cool. Let's get to the Yolos, guys. 1 second here. Give me a second to pull it up. So it is now 5:52. So I said, what did I say? Hour and a half to 2 hours? Yeah, it looks like we're going to go over 2 hours. That's cool. Alright. Not too many Yolos. Shouldn't be too bad, I suppose. Alright. All tabs open. Alright, so we'll, Alright, we'll let that finish loading. And we'll get started there. Yep, but no share to short. I would short at $5 and make some gain already. Yeah, if they gave it to you, you just got really lucky on your fill, dude. 450 was a great fill. Really, really good fill. So now you're already up 10%. It says encoding overload. I hope it's not lagging. Not really getting many frames here. Anyway. Let's check. Let's just watch Armid while that loads up. Did Koya get any? I don't think so. I don't think he got filled, unfortunately. You spoke to these days. She's doing good with options. Really? Well, I mean, good for her. Because when I spoke to her, she had no idea how to trade options at all. So that's good. Damn, you're lucky SOB. Yeah, that's how it goes. Sometimes you get lucky. You get a great fill. Sometimes you don't. So I didn't get the greatest fill, but you got a great fill there. And, you know, you win some, you lose some. Okay. You get for Trader Society. He's good on SPY put. All right. Yeah, I mean, I have no idea who that is, but just be very careful when you guys trade options. You live by the sword, you get deleted by the sword. It takes time to learn. Yes. I'm just not a big fan of buying options. I'm a fan of selling options. I sell it to these. I sell the lottery tickets. They're essentially, they're lottery tickets, dude. Options are just straight up lottery tickets. So I don't like buying lottery tickets. I like selling lottery tickets. So I hope it works out for you guys there. But, you know, risky stuff. Or maybe I just don't know how to trade them right. But the only times I had success trading options are when I was the seller, not the buyer. You don't lose much if you buy puts. You don't until you load up too hard on it, or you keep losing over time and you just bleed and bleed and bleed. I mean, I'm not gonna question it. You know, if it works, it works. But personally, buying options has never worked, and based on what you see on Wall Street Bets, it does not really work. Can you get started options? Are we gonna learn together? No, dude. I will teach you guys how to sell options. I will never recommend buying options. I'm sorry. I could never recommend that. It's just too dangerous, and it's not really investing. It's just straight up gambling. So, yes, if you guys want to sell options, sure. But that's boring, and it's not much money. But it wins over time. RMAD's down to $4 now, and dropping. Nice. So I'm actually up more on Neon than I am down on RMAD right now. That's funny. You got wrecked for 2K playing SPY puts? Yeah, so it's no game, dude. It's no game. You don't lose that much if you don't buy that much, but then if you buy a lot, yeah, so it's... Yeah, so I'm not going to teach you guys how to buy options, because I just don't think it makes money. But if you guys want to sell options, sure. But nobody wants to sell options because it's boring and boomer stuff, and nobody likes consistent money over time, right? They just like, get rich now. Yeah, I'm pretty sure Koya bought puts. Nobody sells options, dude, except for professionals. And there's a reason why they do it. It's not glamorous, it's not fun, but it makes money. Anyway, let's move on. You love consistency? Then sell options, dude. Sell options. Don't buy options. And short. If you want consistency, don't buy options. That is the least consistent thing you could possibly do. You day trade, and you sell options. Can you teach me selling puts? I already got a video, dude. I'll link it to you. Yeah, low roller. We don't have time to look at that today. It's already 6 o'clock, and we're not even done yet. You know any consistently stock to sell puts? Yeah, any blue chip value stock, dude. You can do it on SPY, you can do it on Apple. But then if you sell puts on a value stock like that, you're not gonna make as much money. So you know you can sell them on meme stocks, make a lot of money, or sell them on value stocks and make less money. So it depends on how risky you want to get. So, yeah, you can pick stable stocks, but you're not going to make that much money, dude. So, that's the problem. And I know you want your money. Yes, less risky, but much less money, too. That's the problem. So, it may not even be worth it. But I'll link you the video, dude. I'll link you my video, and, you know, let me know if you have any questions. All right, guys, let's finish up with the Yolos here. So today we have 8 Yolos, and this was pretty good content. It's all corn, no memes. So, not going to spend too much time here. Lots to get through, but this should be some pretty good stuff. Let's do it. Can you sell puts on IMPP? I don't think they have options, do they? I don't know, but you can if you want. I would sell calls on IMPP if I were you, because you have a lot of shares, right? You can sell puts and calls on IMPP, but I would definitely sell calls if you have shares. Sell covered calls. All right, let's do it. First one buy those dips. 90K Apple put Yolos. Puts Yolos. Wow. All right, so these expire December 23rd. About 3 weeks out. Yep. This was a 94K YOLO.
Bruh.
That's right, 94K YOLO. And right now he's down 1.6K, not much, but what the hell? Yeah, I don't know if you guys should be betting against Apple. You already know what happened last time to the good guy. Like the good guy, this guy literally went good because he bought Apple puts. So, I don't know. Could be another go. Let's check it out. So, 145 strike, 300 puts. Let's check it out. So 145. So this is out of the money so far. All right, so I like the strike. Pretty good strike. Expiration not the best, and we'll see how the timing goes. But let's see here. Let's see what Delta says. December 23rd, 145. Put Delta is 36. 36. All right, so 36% chance this works. So 1 in 3. Not the greatest chance here. So yeah, I'm not the biggest fan of this. Yeah, I don't like shorting or buying puts on value stocks, especially Apple. You know, I don't know why people bet against Apple, but it's not a bad play. 1 in 3 chance it works. 36% chance. We'll see. If you sell put, you can lose a lot of money. No, dude. No, you don't. Not cash secured puts. Not cash secured puts. Which one is consistency? Yes, selling options is consistent. Selling puts, selling calls is consistent. Buying calls, buying puts is inconsistent. So you can lose a lot of money if you're selling naked calls, which you definitely can't do. Or naked puts, which you definitely can't do. You don't have portfolio margin. You can't do that. So the only way you can lose money is if you get assigned and then the stock goes down very significantly. Anyway, so yeah, this one super A play. I don't recommend you guys do this. Not sure what the reasoning behind this is. And it's likely not going to work, but I sure hope it does. Otherwise, there goes 90K. But yeah, so buy those dips. Epic post here. Epic YOLO. I don't know what you're doing, but good luck to you, dude. Hope it works out. But I got a bad feeling, and no matter what happens, please post updates. Want to see how this goes. Okay. By Deleted Soul. 29K QQQ put YOLO. 10D God bless me. Alright. So, more FDs. 39 puts QQQ. Also expires December 23rd. 29K YOLO. Let's check it out. QQQ. Alright, so 294. His strike is 293. So, alright, so decent strike. I like the strike. Again, bad expiration, and we'll see how the timing is. Alright, what does Delta say for this? Alright, let's see. 293. Put. Alright, Delta's 47. So this one is actually, keep doing that. This one is actually pretty even. 50-50. This is coin flip here. Okay. So I personally wouldn't do this. This is still too risky for my liking. But this is actually not that bad. So yeah, I would not risk 29K on a coin flip, but this is the casino, right? So good strike, not the greatest expiration, and we'll see how the timing goes. But yeah, super FD, not a super FD, but pretty FD here. And it has a pretty decent chance of working. 47% chance of working. So, you know, I don't like the odds very much, but it's a lot better than most Yolos. So, all right, I guess it's a decent play. Again, I would never go for it, but decent play here. So, we'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. So, yeah, deleted sold. Thanks for posting. Good luck to you. Very, very risky. I would not recommend this, but it's actually not the worst FD at all. And, yeah, you got a pretty good chance of this working. 50-50. So, good luck to you. I hope it works out. You're going to need it. And no matter what happens, please post updates. Alright, by Mana Hosana. I bought more ET when the price dropped. Alright, I don't know what ET is, but this guy is Leaps, which is, if you guys are going to buy options, this is how I always tell you guys. Well, I always tell you guys, don't buy options, and if you do, this is how you do it. You buy Leaps. Not FDs, you buy Leaps, anything 6 months and out. So this was a Leaps, purchased May 17th, or March 17th. Expires January 19th, 2024. So this was bought 2 years in advance. Very well done. All right, so so this is a pretty, this was a 100, this was like a 130k YOLO. This is pretty fat YOLO. So I don't recommend you guys do that. But it's worked out so far. Let's check it out. ET. Alright, so this is like way in the money already. And actually at the all-time high, so. But ours says 55. Alright, so, very well done so far. And he's in really good shape. So he's already up 145k, 109%. Give him some money there. There we go. Why is my stream? Give him some money there, and yeah, so he's in really good shape. Got 2 years to go. Well, 1 year to go. Over a little bit of a year to go. So he can either cut now, which, you know, got to be happy with 110%, or you let it ride. Either way, you know, you can just let it ride, and if it goes bad, then you can just cut and still make a gain here. But anyway, so really well done, really well done. I'm not the biggest fan of Leaps, but, or options, buying options, but I'm a fan of buying Leaps. This guy bought Leaps here. Good strike, good expiration, well timed, really, really well done. Well planned, well executed. Fat tendies already, a year to go. So either hold, either cut now, secure the fat gains, or let it ride. And, you know, either way, you're in a really good position here. There should be no reason why you lose money. So, yeah, you know, well done so far, well deserved, and good luck. So, Mana Hosana, thanks for hosting. Congrats to you so far. Well done, well deserved. And no matter what happens, please post updates. Alright, by Voa 960. Okay. Turn 3k into 51k by inversing Wall Street bets. Alright, I don't know what the hell he inversed. But yeah, he's up 48k today. What the actual hell? Yeah, I don't know what the guy did. But this is this has to be super FD. Super FD. And don't expect this, guys. This is not typical. This is just straight up gambling, and the guy got lucky. So I don't know what the hell he did. Does he say? I don't even know, and I don't care. But yes, inverse Wall Street bets usually does work. But I don't recommend YOLOing your whole account. But sometimes you get lucky. But this is Robinhood. This is a Robinhood ape. And anyway, so yeah. VOA 960. I don't know what the hell you did here, dude. But congrats on inversing Wall Street bets. Even that is like pretty ballsy. YOLOing your whole account. But hey, now you got 51K and congrats to you, dude. Just don't do it again. I will say this. You got lucky. You got really, really lucky. Admit that you got lucky. This is not skill. And don't do it again. Because if you do, you're going to blow up your whole account. I've seen this over and over again. Apes get lucky. They think they're geniuses. Proceed to lose everything. So, epic gain cord. But just chill out, dude. Enjoy your 10 days. Chill out. So, thanks for hosting. Congrats. Good luck to you. Well done. Alright, by Han YOLO Swag. 500 to 51K. 51.1K. Alright, so SPXW calls. It's already expired, November 30th. So 4,075 strike. He paid $5 per contract, and he's up $30,000. Almost 5,000%. What the hell? And he got the Bigley Chadman Award. That's a new one. Alright, so, I'm not sure if this is smart or stupid. I don't know what the guy's account is, but SPXW FDs. And he made 30K. He made 5,000%, so really, really well done. And it's over. You know, it's over. It's already expired, so not much to say here. Can't comment on how dumb or smart this was, but it worked. It paid off, so congrats, dude. RMED's back up to 430. Interesting. Yeah, enjoy the tendies, dude. Alright, 3 more. Now we're on to the Lost Corn by Asank. Hope I said that right. Turned 65K into $9 in 90 days. Good.
And it's gone.
Alright, what do you do? He's trading Forex. That would do it, huh? Alright, so, yeah, US, Japanese. I don't know what currency that is. German. What is XAU? No idea. Well, the guy tried to trade Forex. So, I've never really messed around Forex much. I know it's pretty hard, though. So I can't really comment if this was dumb or stupid, dumb or smart. It seems pretty dumb, though. Yeah, so tried his hand at Forex and blew up 65K in 3 months. I wish I knew if this was dumb or smart, but I really can't comment. Forex is not my area of expertise, and clearly not his either. So I don't know if he's new to this or what he was even thinking, but yep, he tried Forex and blew up 65K, so good. Not much else to say there. Epic loss, Gordon. So, Asank, thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss. Not really. I mean, I really don't even know what you did. But, you effed up. I know that. And, yep, there goes 65K. So, hope you're okay. You got some epic tax write-offs for the next 30 years. 20 years. Anyway, great post. Sorry for your loss. Epic loss score. Next posting. Alright, 2 more. By Wild Animus. Never giving up, never accepting defeat. 6 years and counting. Alright, so yeah, in 6 years, he's down 98%. 56K. Good.
And it's gone.
And it just keeps on going lower and lower, too. Like, what the hell? So, yeah, definitely. But this was 6 years ago. So he found options before they were even a thing. Before, like, the apes even found them. So, yeah, this was the OG ape. The OG ape. Went full on FD. Blew up everything. Proceeds to blow up. Then he got a little bit of a win here. And just proceeds to blow up everything again. So, typical ape portfolio here, especially in Robinhood. But this was the OG ape. OG ape. Anyway. So pretty impressive, pretty impressive. This guy was an ape before he even knew it. So, yeah. Doesn't matter what age he came from, what generation he came from, apes are still apes. And the results are always the same. Good. So, Wild Animus, thanks for hosting. Sorry for your loss. But respect, respect. We found the OG ape here. Alright, last one. This is by Super Bear Put. OTKA 38K loss, earnings play gone wrong. Alright, so this is an update from yesterday. Because we did review this yesterday. And yeah, so I think he was in for 26K. He doubled down to 38K. And then, yeah, full on YOLO, FD YOLO, OTKA, and I went the wrong way. And, yes. So let's read here. This is actually a 38K loss, but I was able to lock in 2K of these losses yesterday before the market closed. I'm still extremely bearish on this market, especially after yesterday's events. When I post my next play, I sincerely hope that every single one of you inverse me. Thank you for that. See you all soon. I'll be back with a vengeance. I've got one more company play in my pocket. Then it'll be gambling on the macros: SQQQ, SP, XS, UVXY, etc. Lesson learned. Do not mess with the mouse. Do not mess with Tim Apple. I could have told you that. Do not mess with Tech Engineering Manager. They'll F you harder than they do their sisters. That's all, folks. See you Monday when I spend today and tomorrow licking my wounds. Alright, so at least he's not out yet. He still has money to go. He still has money to gamble. But yeah. Totally insane. Didn't work out. And, I don't know if he should be doing the other YOLO. But, alright. Should be some more epic corn. Gain or lost corn. I don't know. But, yeah. So, update by Super Bear Put. He got wrecked. Go.
It's gone.
Alright, cool. So, last order of business. Let's do one more scan, and let's get out of here. So, we went almost 2.5 hours today. I guess it makes up for the other shows where we didn't go long at all. Okay. There's tops. There it is. LCI. Nothing. Alright, LCI. HLBZ, still got to keep an eye on that. RIGL, have an order in for that. ALLR, have an order in for that. Yep, right, I think that's it. I'm selling put SPY 391 strike. 12.5. Is that okay? Yeah, that's really good actually. That should not go below 391, and if it does, that's an excellent buy. So yes, I do like that a lot. I'm not sure how much premium you're getting. Probably that does not sound like a lot of premium, but that is a very safe play, and I do like that a lot. What do you buy? How F you do it? Armor winning again. Is there a refund for option? You can buy your options back. You can buy it back, but you don't get a refund. No, you don't get refunds on stuff, dude. You can buy it back. For a gain or a loss. No video, D-Lucky, so tomorrow video? Yeah, sorry, Low Roller, we didn't have time today, but if we have time tomorrow, we'll do it. We should have time tomorrow. Alright, guys, so that's the show for today. Let's get out of here. Yeah, Ken, I'll send you a link on Discord about options and stuff. Alright, cool. So we're lagging a little bit here. I don't know why, but whatever. Alright, guys. So that's the show for today. So that was a pretty good show. A lot of stuff to cover. A lot of articles, important TA, AMC TA, and quite a bit of Yolos as well, and decent amount of chatting. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Really good show. We went longer than expected, but makes up for lost time for the other shows. So, all right, that's all I got for today. I'll see you guys back here tomorrow and on Discord. Let's end the week on a good note. Okay. All right, I think that's it. Let's get out of here. Thanks everyone for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.